Welcome back to the show. Let's get the party started, shall we? Of course. Let's get it started. Hey, Mr. Proper, good to see you back. What's up? What's up? What's up? How's everybody? Well, what an interesting London session. At least we had, well, 3 trades, 2 are winners from earlier sessions, so that's good. Abyss, hey, good morning. Dude, you haven't ever, you technically you didn't sleep. How are you still able to operate? You technically did not sleep. I don't know how you're doing, man. Or how you do it. Oh, for 7 hours. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's better. All right. I was starting to worry, like, what is going on? Okay. All right. All right. All right. This is all we have. I'm going to leave this. Asia high has been swept. We do have a sell side liquidity. Nice. All right. So far, these are the levels that we have. I would say London low is down there. That's pretty good. I'm gonna get rid of this, and that's it. These are the levels that we have. You caught Matt lacking on what? Hey Kirk, what's up? He said he was hedging his props with options. Ah, I see. Good morning, Ludwig. Doing great. Big announcement. 10 minutes. Yeah. Keep us updated. Abyss, by the way, definitely keep us updated about the announcement. You are going to be our ear. Zoltan, hey. Good to see you in the chat. Buying low, long from Asia. ESP on ES. Okay, all right. I haven't checked on. Oh, I locked in the cursor. I haven't checked on ES too much. Let's see how it goes. Still have 3 minutes to go. Gotta have that coffee, you know. All right, so far a bit of a sideways action here, but on NQ, gold is going higher. It definitely went into that fair value gap. Interesting to see. And it seems like it wants to break previous day high, which is basically an order block high. Dude, it's amazing how it works. Anyway, 2 minutes to go. We do have a 1 minute supply zone up there. Very, very interesting. I'm gonna also check it on the 1 hour. Okay, it's not visible as much. There is a level here that I'm very interested in, and it's visible on the 15 minute. Okay. Picked up liquidity here. Adjusting it. Okay. So it's technically valid. It's not too far. 490, we'll see. You're gonna full port. Careful there. I can't say what to do. Follow your plan. That's what you need to do. NQ is popping, and we have 32 seconds until the open. Navab, good to see you. All is great. Let's see Troy. Yeah, we have an AM session high. I do believe we have a chance that this one could be popping higher. Good luck to everybody. Let's see. 10 seconds to go. Get ready. I believe so that it can still go higher, yes. Alright, market is open. Could be sweeping some lows. So be careful there. There's a low here. Okay, how far is that? 75. Could go down there on the micro. On the mini, it swept it. I wonder if it wants to do that on the micro as well, but I have nothing on. Okay. So there's the low at 74. There's a order block at 362. Question is, yeah, it seems like it wants to go there. Do I have a position somewhere? I have no positions. Thank God. I thought I left open something from earlier. Okay, nothing open. What can I do? Oh, now it's just back down into that zone. Is it popping higher? You know, I feel like when it's done with this level, can it go to the 330? That's like the 330. I think it can go. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, we have a bounce. A nice one. Picked up liquidity on a 1-minute gap up there. And that was not the first presentation gap so far. So let's see. Still have that sell side at 330. Nice little sweep here at the open. Let's see if it breaks. Okay, going back up there. Well, profit is profit, you know. Profit is profit. Okay. I'm still watching this, and I'm watching that 330. I don't know what I should do. As long as it's staying in this area, I'm not really interested to do anything. What is ES up to? Yeah, ES repriced that level. Picked up liquidity. Anything can happen on ES as well. All right. Congesting in this zone. I mean, it's not a zone, but in this area. It could be a reversal here. Let's see if it happens or not. Still eyeballing with that 330, and maybe I scalp it. All right, jumping into a short. Don't worry, this is not my final stop loss. I just put it there. I might gonna close it. I don't like this. Dude, it immediately turned back on me. In with micros. I was hoping for a free fall down to 330. Finger is on the flat button. I don't like it. Seems like a reversal. Huh. It's not going there. Who do I have to talk to? Who's the boss here? Max, there's no... Oh my god, this position is getting very bad. Just a second there. I'm not gonna close this. Dude. Just go down. 346. Hold the line, everybody. Hold the line. I want to see that 330. Actually, 32 would be my TP down there, but why is it so difficult for NQ to sweep that level? It should be very easy. Come on, NQ. Sweep the level. Dude, it's annoying. It's just annoying. You put a magnet? Alright. Let's go there. You know. Come on, dude. Just do the job already. Just do the job. Oh. Do the job. Sweep that level. Do it. With the DEW. Do it. Just go for it, baby. Come on. Just one more push. I know you want it. I know you want it. Come on. Just push it. One more push. Come on, baby. Are you kidding me? $20 is easy. Should I take profit here? Alright. I closed 8 micros. Final TP here. Locking in 8 micros of this. Putting it to break. Basically, I took profit. 8 micros out of 10 closed. Now it's a free trade. I don't care. So basically, I closed 80% of the position. And I made something. I don't even know how much. A few $100. So this is it. I don't even care. Closed 8 micros. Now it's just house money. Yeah, look at that. All right. House money, but I still think, okay, it's fine. I made about almost $400 on this one, but I still think it should be sweeping that 330. Look at this. First presentation gap occurred down there, and it got inverted immediately. I don't know what's going on with it, but at least I took partial. What? What's the issue? What's the issue, Max? Abyss, what's happening? Look at that. It's going back down again. Who's making a bet that it's going to break through 330? Look at that. Man, I'm tempted to jump in. Maybe on a different account. I'm not gonna. That was enough fun for the open. But it should be breaking that 330. Look at this. This is where we're going. That line, 330. There is always a boss, Max, but I'm not the boss. Look at that cheeky bastard. Look at that. It's going down to 330 without me. Took me out at break even and now it goes. Yeah, that's August low. There you go. 330 booked. I think everybody traded this one as much as possible. Yeah. Yeah, at least I closed down 8 micro. So I'm okay with it. I'm fine. That was a great trade anyway for me, so it was good. Other than that, on the downside, I don't see anything now. It was most likely considered as a scalp on my side. And I don't see anything else happening. Probably gap 298 could be. I'm not. Oh yeah, 298. So that's what it wants. Still wants it. 288. Okay. That's what it really wants. Look at that. Went there. I'm still waiting. I'm just gonna wait. It's still going down. Wow, interesting. And it's still just going. Malo! Why the huge dump? I don't know. If there's any news or whatever hitting the market, let me just refresh. Let's see. Trump. Fed's cook must resign. Trump social. So Trump was tweeting about a Fed member. I don't know what does that mean exactly. Actually, no. Sorry, that was earlier. That was much earlier. That was earlier. Sorry, that's not it. Russia introduces retaliatory sanctions against 21 British and Western nations. Ah, that could be interesting. Russia sanctions against 21 British and Western nationals. Ah, no, sorry, that's not it. That's nothing. China's Vice Commerce Minister for Region Business. Oh, nothing so far. Nothing. Tech stocks are dumping. Oh yeah, Nvidia is dumping. Wow. Tesla is also heading down. Nvidia, Tesla, all going down. But why? Why? Does anyone know why? What's gold doing? Gold should... Yeah, I thought so. Gold pumped higher. Should have taken a long on gold. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. This was the chance to go long on gold. Boom. Up the previous day high. That was it. Should have taken that long. And now, here we are. In the middle of nowhere. No man's land again. No man's land all around the place. Except Microsoft rotating out of riskier stocks. About the AI boom staying power. Maybe. Sorry. Wow, look at that. Down to the 200s. What is going on? Okay. There was actually a 1 hour order block here. Starting 221. It already hit that. So there's a sell side liquidity. This here on the 1 hour is, by the way, an order block. Sell side is down here. So down to 107. Could that be possible? To chase it down to 107? Construction work, we always said, if your aunt had a mustache, she would be nice. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, yes. The AI bubble is out about to burst. That's why Nvidia is going down. But who started this this news with the AI bubble? Why is it a bubble? Is there something concerning about AI? By the way, I was reading an article that technically AI is not AI, it's just a language model. That's all it is. So it's not like an AI, it's basically a language model. Nothing more. Dude. What is going on? I took a short on one of my evals. Just out of wow. Just out of curiosity. And I'm in profit. Only on eval though. But What is going on? What? My quant tower froze. Quant tower just froze. Okay. Maybe not. Jesus, I couldn't close my position. So sad. But that's just an eval. I couldn't close it in time. Because it just froze. Man, that's annoying. That's so annoying. Oh man, I need to close this. Yeah, I'm closing it. I don't know what the heck is going on. It seems like it's just an eval. I close it. Yeah, I'm not gonna take this on any of my funded account, that's for sure. Wouldn't be surprised on a continuation. I don't know. I don't know what's going on, but it's definitely interesting. I don't know what is wrong with quant tower. I just have to restart. Something is not right with my quant tower right now. I have to restart quant tower. Yeah, maybe. Maybe it wants to. Alright, restarting quant tower. Let's see if that works. Yeah, quant tower is basically killing the memory. It uses a lot of memory. Especially if you're having multiple tabs opened up. Uses a lot of resource. That's true. Well, so far my computer can handle it, but I'm gonna buy even a better and bigger computer soon. Look at this drop, man. What is going on? It just keeps going. Whoa. Nasser, thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks for subscribing. Welcome. Feel yourself at home. Again, it's freezing. I don't know what is happening with Quant Tower, but it's just freezing down. Jesus. Okay. Something's off. I think it's Quant Tower. It's a desktop app. It's a yeah, it's not web-based. It's a desktop tutor. Yeah, some pullback is happening. Charts are messed up a little bit. Something is not okay. My computer is okay. I don't know what's going on, but it is interesting. So we hit the 50. Nvidia making a pullback. Yeah, just like Tesla. Let's see if it continues. Maybe. Maybe, I don't know, Tudor. I really don't know much about those kind of stuff, but one thing's for sure, my Quant Tower is definitely messed up this morning. It never happened like this before, so this is the first time that Quant Tower is actually messed up this much. Jesus. I don't know. Anyway. Took a short position here at 198 on this one. Still have to, only with 5 micros, still have to see how far can I get with this. I feel like it wants to break that low. At 107. I might take a full TP here. You know what? I sold it. I sold the 5 micros. It was good. I made almost 300 on this one, so I'm okay with it. I made almost 300. I think the final target would be 107. I need to disconnect and reconnect to Quantower. Bulenox. I don't know if that's just with Bulenox or not, but this was a good scalp. So far 2 nice scalps. And it's still going down to 107. That's you. Yeah, definitely eating up some memory. Oh, 20% on my funded futures. Let's go. Actually, I'm gonna buy maybe an account. So you can use my code too if you're looking for the 20% flash sale. And it's going down. And I'm not in the trade. Man, and I'm not in the trade. You are? Let's see. Oh man, it's just gonna go through. It's gonna go through. And there's nothing we can do. What's at my funded TV right now? Nothing. And there is it. We just busted through. And I don't know what's up with Quantower, but it is interesting though. What I'm gonna do is restart Quant Tower again. That's what I'm gonna do. Just to make sure. Went to passing to 400. Oh man, just be careful here. Yeah, it takes time to reconnect. That's the issue. I know. The problem is it said it has been reconnected, but I haven't seen the charts didn't load up. So that was the issue. That was the first, like, you know, technically the major issue that I had ever with Quant Tower. What is known to what? known to? I don't know. I don't know what you're referring, Max. Kirk, I'm awake. Crazy dump, yeah. Yeah, the connection is definitely can definitely slow the process a little bit. Gnome Tower. Quant Tower. Max. Quant Tower. It's Quant Tower. I hope. Yeah, Quant Tower. That's how they write this. That's the trading platform. Ah, Asian house slave. Sorry. 80 handles in profit, dude. How much did we drop, by the way, since the open? Almost 300 points. That was nice. And I guess gold. I thought that gold is just gonna skyrocket higher, but it didn't. What's on the downside, by the way? We still have some sell side liquidity here. Next one is at 45. Okay, nothing on the 15-minute, but it can still go lower. It's not far. And of course we have the nice round number of 23. It can obviously just go through. Okay. Let's see if it does. Hey, Ian. Hey, Vivian. Good to see you. Well, it seems like something's up with the tech stocks and some AI bubble bursting. I don't know. Nothing confirmed on the news feeds or anything. Yeah, so we still have that 23K. The Justice Department has received a criminal investigation referral related to Fed Governor Cook and is taking it very seriously. Okay, I don't think that. Fitch Ratings U.S. private credit default rate dips to 5.2% in July. Does that... Could this be something? I don't know. I don't think so. That was earlier. Not much. Something is just not working properly with Quant Tower. Even if I restart, it's just not doing it. Anyway, we're still going lower. Careful if you guys want to chase it. Next sell side is at 45. It seems like there could be an issue with Rhythmic. Because my other connections like DX Feed and Project X are loading nicely. But all the Rhythmic connections are off. So there could be something with Rhythmic. Look at that. It goes down now. I feel like it should be taking that. That level. I thought that we're going down to that 45. Nice little bounce here. Yeah, the website is not, you know. What's the saying? Never judge a book by its cover. I don't know. This time the positive way. But yeah, I completely agree. The website does need some refurbishing. I entered the short, targeting 50, 51.50 by the way. Let's see how it goes. Stop loss is gonna be a little bit higher. Oh yeah, I might just have to close this. I don't like this trade. Man, I thought this is gonna dump. Okay. can't win them all. Yeah. I guess that's it. Was looking for that next sell side if things are starting to go real bearish here. Get the good cover. Yeah. Yeah, something happened with the Rhythmic servers, that's for sure. Yeah, all the Rhythmic servers are down. Everything, basically. Green, what's up? Yeah, I think this trade is gone. I tried. Alright. Would be very surprised if this one would not pop higher for more liquidity. Yeah. It was close to get that 45, but it just didn't go there. So, maybe next time. I don't want to take more heat on this. Yep, there she goes. All right. I think it just wants more liquidity. There is a fair value gap on the 1 minute, not too far. A little bit higher here. Not sure about that, but maybe it wants to pop that level. Who knows? Or maybe just luring in the buyers. Nvidia is pulling. I don't know, it's definitely interesting. Also interesting why it didn't go up for that gap. It just didn't go for it. Now it did. Yeah. Made 1523 on my let's go. Yes, they are strict with the consistency. So if you're on a 50k account, you should lose 23 bucks. With one micro, you can start opening and closing. The commission will eat this up, so you need to lose $23. They are very strict with the consistency. So just to make sure, you know, just lose 23 bucks. And it will be just fine. It will be perfect. And congratulations, by the way. Good job. That's an excellent job there. That is very good. All right. 3 micros. You were sailing this thing all the way down here, right? Good job. You need, come on, Abyss. Maybe it's best to wait for. And by the way, hold on. Maybe if we're just picking sweeping liquidity on this fair value gap, it seems like it might be ready to take another dump here. I'm not sure. How's Nvidia doing? Is definitely it took the big hit, and Tesla as well. All right. So it could be resuming, like that's another 90 points to the downside. A win is a win, Green. Exactly. Martin, hey, you're short? Okay. Picked up liquidity here. That's not a bad idea, obviously, if you have a good target there. I see no possible target that I could go for. Gold definitely made the move, and right now it's the tech stocks that are dominating this market. From 280. What? Jesus. Nice. Good job holding that trade. Yeah, there's one more sell side at 45. Yeah, and so far that's it. I don't know if it wants to make it or not. But this drop was definitely a strong one. I feel like it could be pushing down one more leg. Hello there, Gabor. Üdvözöllek, servus. 23,200 set break even so far. Yeah, nice, nice. That's good. That's a free trade. That's a free trade. That's how you do it. Okay, it seems like it that. Hold on. Do I have a Funded Futures network account somewhere opened up? No. I was actually thinking, should I jump into a short somewhere? Just don't know where. Oh. Yeah, look at that. Feels like it wants to make a new low. Do we have a flat candle here? Yes, we do. All right. Let's see. Sell side at 45. Jumped into a short. Right here. To see if it wants to make another sell side. Actually, yeah. Oh man, I don't like this. I'm gonna move my stop a little bit above this fair value gap there. Sorry, this one here. Just to give enough room, because this fair value gap can still be repriced on this drop down. So I just need to give more space to the trade. Rhythmic connection is still not happening. Maybe if I can try a different server. For example, I can try Europe. Let's try European server. Maybe that can work. Yeah, I know. I try to use it. It's a good thing, but I don't use it nowadays. But it's, I mean... Oh, the European servers are working. Nice. So... European servers are working. I got back the connection on the Europe server. That's actually good. Yeah, European servers are working. Nice. It's not too perfect, but it's at least working. It shows data, and you can execute on Rhythmic European server. Oh, please don't flash other streamers' code. But it's 20% off. Yeah. Thank you for letting us know. Oh, what's happening with this? Yeah, I guess there's a flash sale. Yeah, Cove Trader is having a 20% sale. My code is not having a 20% sale. At least you can use Cove's code. But yeah, obviously, yeah, there's a flash sale going on. I don't know for how long though. I mean, Patrick Wieland was having a 20% sale. And I'm not gonna name more streamers. Other people had 20% sale. I am also going to have 20% sale, by the way, and nobody else. I'm just saying because this information is 100%. I'm also going to have a 20% flash sale, just not today. So that's why I'm not flashing other people's code. But if you want to use, obviously it's 20% off at Cove, so you can use it obviously for 20%. I don't know for how long does he have it, for today, or maybe because I'm gonna have it for a couple of maybe a day or two, couple of days at least. That's what I've been told. But I will let you guys know if I have the flash sale, that's for sure. Taco Trump. Yeah. That's the announcement. Cove has, and I was also being promised, so I'm just letting you guys know. I will also have a flash sale, just not today. Today is Cove's day, so that's why I said it's actually good because the flash sales are super great. But today is Cove's day so far, so yeah. Look at that. Oiled up Tom for 100%. Discipline Trader, what's up? Good to see you. Actually, to be honest, I thought that the flash sale is going to be with everybody's code, to be honest. Okay, so that's what I thought that every affiliate's code is going to give 20% for a short time as a flash sale, but not today. Another account. Come on, Bessem. Man. Yeah, I was hoping for more as well. I was hoping for more, but I mean, 20% is not a bad deal at all. Well, it seems like we're stuck here, but don't forget that we have that 45 level down there. It's not moving. MyFundedFutures having a flash sale with code 20 code for a couple of hours, maybe throughout the day. I don't know. Cove 20 right now. I don't have a flash sale, unfortunately, but the Cove 20 gives you. Expect a surprise in your section. That's what they said. Well, hopefully. No, Cove 20 gives you right now. I've been told I will have a flash sale as well, but not right now, but maybe later. You know, maybe later. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna be today, but every affiliate is gonna have a special time of day or day sometime for these flash sales. Got 70 points on NQ. Nice. Yeah. With code Tom should be more. Oh, by the way, where's the trade? Okay, so for those of you who are having rhythmic issues, it seems like that the European servers are still working. So that's actually not bad. Let me see if I'm gonna check this out with Take Profit Trader. I'm gonna try the Frankfurt server. What's going on? Yeah, the Frankfurt server is also working nicely. Nice, nice. Whoa, good job. Are we going down to 45? Maybe not now. No, not now. Okay, so what else is happening? I'm kind of watching this closely. Is this gonna try to push one more leg down or not? Or is it just gonna bounce again? It could be a bounce situation, especially at 45. Still kind of wondering what it wants to do. I mean, that was a nice trade earlier. But I guess it can be bouncing here right before 11 a.m. Yeah, here's the bounce. Here is the bounce. And here it goes. Boom. Excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Good job. Good job on NQ for going lower. So now we only have the 23K. And it's just hard to say how far it wants to go. Target hit. Congratulations. Yeah, we had some good trades here. I mean, so far I'm satisfied with the scalps and everything. Even though we had this rhythmic connection issue. All right. I hope to pass in your segment. Oh, you will do. You will do. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. So far, now that we're swept at 45, I don't know if we're gonna go for that psychological level 23k, but we'll see. Gonna be interesting for sure. All right. You had to fart. All right. 13 bucks or 1300. I guess it's 1300-ish bucks. That's good job. I didn't hear you there, Jake. Congratulations, Gabor. That is excellent. This one's still going lower. Oh, 1300. Nice. Nice. Let's go. You are the house. All right. Good job. Well, the thing is, I don't know how far it will go. Is it going to try to go down to 23k or not? That's a different question. Anyway. All right, everyone. I think I'm going to call it here. I think it just keeps dropping to 23k, so we'll see. I'll be at MyFundedTV real soon, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and if you would like to support the channel, please use the code TOMSABO at TRADEIFY as well. Now it works. And also, Take Profit Trader, grab your discounts. MyFundedFutures. Funded Futures Network still has the buy one, get one for free. Apex, Bulenox, DayTraders, FundingTicks as well. So try them out. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys at MyFundedTV and tomorrow in London and New York. All right. God bless you all. Cheers. Thank you, Jake.